Hello everyone, welcome back to the XSP Green Monster channel. My name is Riley, and if you are a new subscriber, I do stuff with my car audio stuff, basically anything that has to do with my 1997 Chevy Suburban or my audio build, I show on this channel. If you are returning, I really appreciate the support, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be attempting to tint my windows in this video, so we'll see how that goes. I've never tinted before. I don't know if the tint I have is nice tint or not. I picked it up from a friend. So it might not be good tint, it might be good tint. I know that makes a difference, but I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what I have to do and what I'm bringing, and then we'll go out to the truck and we'll attempt to do this. And Emmy will be helping me out today, so we'll have some fun attempting to do this. Okay, so here is what I got. I've got this roll of 20% tint, and I really don't know if it's good tint or bad tint. We'll just find out. I've got a squeegee, I've got a microfiber towel, I've got this bottle of water with, had some help from someone on Instagram, and they said to use Johnson & Johnson's baby soap, baby shampoo as the slip agent in the water to spray on the windows, and obviously a razor. I believe that's everything I'm gonna need. I've got all light bar stuff because I might try and do the video on installing my light bars as well. So I'm just going to pour that whole baby shampoo into this spray bottle, and then I will pick you guys up again when we are out at the truck. All right, so we're back out of the truck. I'm gonna start doing tinting. Emmy is over here as well. And I'm gonna show you guys the windows before. My rear middle windows are actually already slightly tinted from the factory, and my backs I have plasti dipped fully black, and I'm going with the 20% tint. So here's the windshield, which I'm not gonna touch, but this is untinted. It's the same as the side windows. And this is the rear windows from the inside. And the rears from the outside. You can see they're pretty dark. The fronts have no tint, so this is what I'm gonna be trying to do today. And my front window obviously has no tint either. So I'm going to start by cleaning this surface with a razor blade and the soapy water that you watched me prepare. And I'm gonna clean both sides since I have to lay it on the outside and cut it to shape, and then put it back on the inside, so you'll see me do that. And yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna take the razor blade and some soapy water, and I'm just going to clean the whole surface. Okay, so now I have the window cleaned. I'm going to cut a piece of this. I'm gonna spray the back. I'm gonna lay it on the other side of the window back here on the outside of the window, and I'm gonna cut it to the general shape of the window. This is how I've seen on YouTube videos, so I'm not an expert on this. I wanna make that very clear. So I'm gonna cut to the outside shape of the window, and I'm gonna make sure, because there's one side of this that peels and one side that doesn't. I want the side that peels to be on the outside, because that's the side that sticks to the inside. So I'm gonna cut one that's the basic shape and cut around the edges and transfer it on the inside. So you can see there that the film is on this side of it. Kind of, you can see the bubbling. The film's on this side, so this side has to go like that on the outside of the window. Okay, so it's going this way.
Oh, smells good.
Will you mean the razor? Okay, so now I have it cut to the basic shape with this, so I'm just gonna quickly squeegee that out, then I'm gonna peel off the film. Actually, I'm just gonna peel off the film on the other side, transfer to this side, I'm gonna do the final cuts once it's in here. I'm gonna roll down the window a little bit more too. So I can see this top edge. I'm gonna cut the top edge closer once it's on this side. Babe. Alright, so now I'm gonna spray the other side of the film as well. Alright, so now I have it placed on the inside of the window. I'm going to spray this side lightly so I can easily squeegee it. Now I'm going to cut the top edge of the window with a razor. Alright everyone, well that was my attempt at tinting the window. It definitely didn't come out perfect. There's a couple spots you can see. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but you can kind of see it's a little wavy, and you can tell that it's not clean. I'll close the door. Let's see what it looks like. I think I need a better squeegee, might be one of the issues. That's a pretty cheap one. But yeah, I think it looks a little bit better. Maybe not professionally done, but I think it came out pretty well. I'm not gonna do any other ones because I just want to kind of see how this one stays, see if I like it, see if some of these bubbles work out, and then I might try doing the rest. But yeah. So that was my how to tint a window. We'll see how this holds up. I'll kind of keep you guys updated on how this does. It wasn't that hard, and as you can tell, it didn't take a crazy amount of time. I mean, it takes a little while to chase out all these bubbles, but it's not awful. Yeah, I guess we'll just have to see. Wait and see, and I'll keep you guys updated. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let me know how I did. I know some of you guys actually do tinting, so you can let me know if there's anything I did that was wrong or weird. But yeah, I don't think it came out terribly. I've definitely seen worse tint jobs done, so I'll have to see. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.